Welcome to day 5 for math for Miss Pettice, Miss Jackson, Posey, and Miss Swanson's class. We're going to start on page 147, and remember you're going to read 147 and 148 to yourself, and then we're going to pick up on 149. Today we're switching, instead of doing measurement, we're switching to the add several two-digit numbers. So for the example, 48 plus 37. So we're going to use a number line to add those numbers, and you're going to start, you can go to the next 10 first. So we're at 48, so we're going to write 48 on our number line first, and then we want to go to the next 10. So we know we have to add 2 to 48 to get to 50, which is our next 10. So 48 plus 2 is 50. So we're going to write 50 on our number line, and we jump 2, so we're at 50. Then we're going to add our tens. So we need to get to 80. So 50 plus what is 80? Yep, 50 plus 30 is 80. So then you jump 30 and you get to 80, and then you have to add the rest of the ones. So we have 80 plus 5 equals 85. So 48 plus 37 is 85. Grace walked for 26 minutes. Later, she walked for 48 minutes more. How many minutes did Grace walk in all? First, how many ones do you add to go to the next 10? Fill the blank on the number line. So 26 plus what is 30? Yep, it's 4. So we jumped 4 spaces to get to 30. Then we jumped 40 spaces to get to 70. And then we have to jump 4 more spaces, so it's 70 plus 4. Yep, 74. So we're at number 2. We're going to add our tens. So what's 40 plus 30? That is 70. And we see that here. Remember 30, and we add 40, and we get 70. Add the rest of the ones. So our 70 plus 4 is 74. And how many minutes did Grace walk? So what was our final answer? Yep, 74 minutes. Very good. And you're going to continue to do the same thing on page 150. And then when you get to 151, it's a little bit different. So for the example, add 27, 32, and 43. You can look at the numbers with the ones to make a 10. Add those numbers first. You can break each number into tens and ones, then add. So we have 27 plus 32 plus 43 that we need to add. So we're going to make a 10. So we're going to add 7 plus 3 is 10. We get our 7 here and our 3 here. And then we have 27 plus 32 plus 43. And we add these and we get 70. And we carry our 32 down. And then 70 plus 32 is 102. Or you can break each number into tens and ones, which is expanded form. So remember, you break it down by each number. So this is 27. This is 32. And this is 43. So we broke it down in expanded form. So you can do it that way as well. So number 1, Mr. Dell ran 3 times last week. He ran for 25, 28, and 32 minutes. Which 2 numbers have ones that make a 10? Add those first. So we have 25, 28, and 32. So here's our ones. This is 8. 8 plus what is 10? Yep, 8 plus 2. So which number has a 2 in our ones place? This is a 5 in our ones. This is 8 in our ones. Oh, here's our 2. So we're going to add 32. So we know 8 plus 2 is going to give us 10. And then we bring a 10 over, and then 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 1 more 10 is 6. So we have 60. What is the number remaining? So what number did we not use? We used 28 and 32, so the other number that we have is 25. Show how to find the total minutes that he ran. So what do we add? We're going to take our 60 plus our 25. So we have 5 ones plus 0 ones. We're still going to have 5 ones. And 6 plus 2 is 8. Remember, you can also break it down to an expanded form. So we have 60 and 25. So it would be 60 plus 0 and 20 plus 5. We're going to add those. It gives us 85. So it gives us the same answer. So you can break it down in expanded form if it's easier for you. And so your answer that you should get is 85. You're going to continue on to 152, 153, and 154. Good luck, guys.